Slkor products cover three major series. Power devices, including silicon carbide MOSFETs and IGBTs, high reliability TVS diodes and Schottky diodes, and analog chips, including power management, sensors, option, and operational amplifiers. Dozens of patents have built strong technical barriers, making Slkor a technology leader in the industry. We strictly follow ISO 9001 quality standards and ISO 14001 environmental standards. Our products meet RoHS, REACH, California Proposition 65, and other compliance requirements. We believe design defines quality and control delivers on promises. From every technical parameter at the design stage to rigorous testing before shipment. From new energy vehicles to spatial intelligence, Slkor has earned deep recognition from customers worldwide.